Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider of furnace repair in Dakota County, Minnesota, offering fast, reliable, and affordable heating solutions. Our experienced technicians are committed to ensuring your home stays warm and comfortable with expert repairs and top-notch service. Call us today to schedule your furnace repair. What are the best furnace repair services? The best furnace repair services focus on quick diagnostics, efficient repairs, and long-lasting solutions. At Boldt HVAC, we offer expert furnace repair that includes thorough inspections, affordable fixes, and reliable customer support, ensuring your heating system runs smoothly all winter long. How much does furnace repair cost? The cost of furnace repair can vary depending on the issue, but at Boldt HVAC, we offer competitive and transparent pricing. We strive to provide affordable solutions without compromising on quality, ensuring you get the best value for your repair needs. How do you find a reputable furnace repair technician? To find a reputable furnace repair technician, look for experience, certifications, and positive customer reviews. At Boldt HVAC, our technicians are highly trained, licensed, and trusted in Dakota County, Minnesota, for delivering reliable and professional furnace repair services. What are the areas near does Boldt HVAC provides furnace repair? At Boldt HVAC, we proudly provide expert furnace repair services to Shakopee and the surrounding cities in Minnesota. These include Rosemount, Eagan, Apple Valley, Inver Grove Heights, Burnsville, Farmington, Mendota Heights, South St. Paul, Lakeville, Cottage Grove, Bloomington, West St. Paul, Savage, Richfield, and Hastings, Minnesota. Where is the Boldt HVAC Shakopee, Minnesota located? We are located at 5005 Dean Lakes Boulevard, Shakopee, Minnesota 55379. Our phone number is 651-237-3676. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/shakopee-mn.